Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to get a circular webcam, or just like any shape of webcam that you want. You're going to need to have Photoshop for this, and if you don't have that, that's fine. I'll show you an alternative way to do it if you do not have Photoshop. But if you do have Photoshop, then that's fine, you can just continue along. So first thing that you want to do is open up Photoshop. So now that you have Photoshop open, you're going to want to click on File, New, and then you just want to copy these settings. You want to have the background be black. You want to have the height be 1080, the width 1920. So once you got those, then click on Create. So now we have this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this, make it white. All you want to do now is you can legit make it any shape that you want. You can make it literally any shape that you want. So I'm just gonna do like a perfect circle. I'll try to at least. So look at this, you have this perfect circle right here. Not exactly perfect, but not perfect, you know. So obviously if you want to make it perfect, then you can just change it. But this is what we're going to be going off of from now. So now that you have this, you're going to want to click on File. You're going to do Save As. Click on Save on your computer. Okay. Now we want to do Circle. You're going to make sure that it is a PNG. But I'm going to name this one Circle 1 because I already have Circle. Yeah, so now that we have this, you just want to click Save, then click OK. So now what you want to do is you want to go into OBS right here. Here's my OBS. Now you're going to want to right click on this. You're going to go to Filters. You're going to click on Effect Filters. You want to do Image Mask / Blend. Then we have this. So now you're going to go onto Browse. You're going to do this. We want to go here. Okay, so now we have this right here. This is not this photo that I have, but this is basically just what you want to do. So now my webcam is a circle, and now I have it like this, and you can do this with whatever shape that you want to. So yeah, I like to have it as like a not perfect derpy circle, just because I don't know, I think that it just looks a bit better and more stupid, which is what I like, you know. I don't like things to look nice, but I do like them to look nice at the same time. I don't know, it's weird. Now so yeah, thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and peace.